Hello everyone. This video is about cryptocurrencies, a payment method on the ABCproxy website. Firstly, open the browser and create a new window. Enter the address on the top or search for ABCproxy by search engine directly. Then redirect to ABCproxy website. Go to ABCproxy website and log in your account. Scroll down the home page. Here are some pricing plans available. The first payment method is credit card payment. The second payment method is cryptocurrencies. Click on cryptocurrencies. There are many payment options for you to choose from. Next, enter your email address. Enter your password in the box after your email address. Click Continue to Payment. You can choose any one of the payment methods. Pay at the end and you're done. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.